In this video, I'll show you how to make this funny congratulatory engagement card. The supplies you'll need for this card are shown here. All you need are a couple different colored pens, a pencil, and then some paper for the base of your card. To start, draw out the design using your pencil. Once you are happy with your design, use your colored pen to fill in the word finally. Here I'm using pink, and the exact color will be linked down below. Once you've finished coloring in the word finally, take your thin black pen to outline the word. I find this really makes it pop and gives it a little bit of extra definition. This is of course optional depending on your preference. Continue outlining all of the letters until you're done. Next, use the same black pen to write the words "I mean congratulations" down below the word finally. Continue using the same black pen to do an initial outline of the diamond on top of the I. Then take your silver pen to color in the diamond. It's okay if you go over the black lines. We'll trace over those again once the diamond is colored in silver. Go back in with your black pen again to do any touch-ups of the lines on the diamond until you're happy with it. And once you've completed that, your card is finished, and you have a funny, unique engagement card.